So it's about that time for another unboxing haul. Let's see what we got from Newtown. Wait, that ain't it. I can't see without my AirPods. First is this bape Bearbrick. I wanted the chase of the red one. I ended up getting a multicolored one. This one's one of my least favorite ones, but this yellow one is tough. I also got another Kirby watch, but this time I wanted to pull the star one. I pulled the same one and now I have two of these shits. I also got this cute little necklace or whatever. And you know I always got to keep my snacks with me, y'all. We got the mini Coke with the mini ruffles. And this is this sake. But yeah, I also got this Kirby nano block. Never put one of these together before, but I stopped because I didn't know you needed tweezers. And I put my Bearbricks on my board and that's about it.